it's Hannah with WTI.
You know what a bad feeling is? When you're on the road and your toddler says, I gotta go, and there's nowhere to go. MCGMITT has this travel potty, and let me tell you, it is a genius idea. I love having this thing. It is easy to set up, it takes no space in the back of our car, so I always know there's a nice little place that if my daughter needs to go, she can go. It is super easy to set up and it fits in that tiny little bag. So you just pop the legs out and slide them in place. You pop the little potty down, and it even comes with nice little travel bags to collect everything so you don't have to worry about cleaning up any kind of mess in this little potty once they're done. Super nice. It comes with 2 rolls, so we are set for a while on this thing. But I love it because we have a girl finally, and it's a little bit different when they say they have to go. So I love knowing that there's a comfortable place for her to be able to go when she needs to. It's also really nice if your kid is not comfortable going on a big potty yet, but they are potty trained, because then you can just bring this wherever you are. It's discreet in the little bag. Going to grandparents or friends' houses, you can just set this up in their bathroom, and there's a nice little place anywhere your kid goes so they feel nice and comfortable. So if you're looking for a nice place for your child to go when they gotta go, this one is perfect. And that's my point of view.